guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my favorite beauty products. I've been trying to film this video all day, but I've had several obligations to fulfill, and so I had to stop in between. Finally, I'm now back on camera and I'm going to try to get this done. There's a product in the batch that is not beauty related, but it is one of my favorite products that helps to make my life easier. I'm very sure most of you guys have it at home, so if you'd love to see what I love to use and what makes my life easy, what helps to make me look and feel good, then keep on watching. So the first thing on the list, I'm very sure most of you guys have one of these. This product is life-changing for me, and I also use Nair to do my eyebrows. Nair is a go-to for me. As I said, everyone should have one of these, and I believe that as a female, even to tap into your feminine side, you should always ensure that your legs are shaved. So my item number 2, Anastasia Beverly Hills featuring Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I mean, it does not look very used because I am not a eyeshadow person. So this is what it is looking like, and I haven't been taking clients really off late. For those of you who don't know, now you know, in addition to me being a lash technician, I'm also a makeup artist, and so I haven't been taking clients off late. I just started back, and then Corona. My palette is not really looking used, but trust me, I go in on this bad boy. I love Jackie Aina palette. So if you don't have this, or you're looking to buy a palette or start off with a eyeshadow palette, I would definitely recommend this. Even if you are a pro, this is a must have, and it is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. If you guys would also like to see my entire eyeshadow collection, let me know, because I have quite a few eyeshadows and I would love to share that with you guys. Alright, so next on my list is my Lash Glue. I know it's looking really dirty if it's showing on camera, but trust me, I've used and abused this baby. Trust me, before this product I used to use hair glue on my lashes. I know it sounds very ghetto, but that worked for me until I found out about this. Actually, my makeup teacher in Brooklyn told me about this glue, and trust me, it's amazing. I love it. It's very easy to use and it dries very clear, and when it goes on, don't worry if it messes your eyeshadow up, it will just get transparent. This is a good thing to have on your beauty list. So next up is this Dazzle Dry Kit. I just ordered this some days ago, and I know it seems a little bit too soon to be saying that this is one of my beauty favorites, but trust me when I say that this is life-changing. I did my nails myself and they're looking very good. It's very simple step system. If I can do it, anybody can do it. You want to eventually save money, or you feel like you go to the nail salon a little bit too often, you can probably do it 50-50. So you go to the nail salon probably for once a month, and then by the next 2 weeks when your nails start to grow out, if you're a gel polish person, you could just resort to this, you know, save money and save time because it's in the convenience of your home. Definitely, if you want to start doing your nails at home yourself, you should check out Dazzle Dry. I will link them down below. Next on my list, I consider this, I wouldn't say like beauty, but to me smelling good is a part of beauty. But this is my Tory Burch roll-on perfume. When I tell you guys that I am in love with this fragrance, this baby here, oh my god, like I'm smelling this right now and I'm starting to feel so happy. I must say this scent is really good. I have other fragrances. I don't have such a large fragrance collection, and my go-to is this. I will use this if I am just everyday smell. This is what I'm always smelling like. This has a very subtle smell that is very soothing. When I'm wearing this, I feel confident. I feel like, okay, I just step out, I'm smelling girly, I'm looking good. It's very subtle. Next on the list is this toner. As you can see, I'm almost out. I've been using this toner since 2017. My aunt, she introduced this to me. Ever since, I've never ever stopped using this. Makeup lovers, you will love this. I know sometimes you use the wipes or wash your face, cleanse. There's no cleansing without your toner. And then you get like a cotton pad and you use your toner and you realize that there is so much on your face that's left behind, that the wipes seem to not get, and that washing with soap and water seems to not get off. You need a toner. This is my go-to. If I'm going on vacation, it no matter where I'm going, I'm traveling, this is is always with me. I love this product. I love this alcohol-free toner, and it's from Neutrogena. Love. Next on the list is my Mederma oil. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure, but this oil, I've been using it underneath my armpits because Mena likes the black arm. Black arm not for wear. So at night, when I have no reason to put my deodorant on, I like to shower and then I like to rub this under my armpits. It works for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, and dry skin. After using my Nair, usually I step out of the shower, my legs are smooth. I usually put this on my legs. Just the first day after Nairing or shaving, you can use this. And also, one more thing, and that is me. I've been getting stretch marks. You know, I'm a big girl and whatever, but my skin is very tight, so I was never worried about stretch marks. Sis not have stretch marks, well, never had stretch marks, but of late I've been getting stretch marks and I've been using this on them. I don't know if it's me, but they're starting to disappear. I don't know, I'm going to watch it some more to see if that is really what's going on, so I can give you guys an update on this randomly like a vlog. Next on the list is this minty Victoria's Secret lip gloss. I got this, of course, at Victoria's Secret. From ever since, I haven't stopped using it. It is almost finished now. I wish I got another one, but I only got two, and this is my second one now, so I am almost out. This is so refreshing, so minty. So after even a shower and you put this on, trust me. I remember once I was wearing this and somebody asked me, hey, we can get one of your gum? I was like, no, I don't have a gum, that's my lip gloss or whatever. This is a good thing to have. Alright guys, so this next product is a whole babe. I believe I should do a video on this product by itself. I think I started this in 2018. You know what guys, I'm going to insert right here or here, whichever where. So guys, this is my acne scar. Bloops. You see it? And this is what my face is looking like now. I know that it was crazy, and this is still not even my best, because here's the thing about this product. You see, this product is a treatment from acneorg.com. It is a acne line. There are so many pros and cons to this, but for the most part, this is a holy grail. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video like this, let me know. I will give you guys the details on cost, my acne journey. I can hook you guys up with that. You see the state that my face is in right now? Acne coming on, scars. I'm not worried. I'm just chilling. I'm in quarantine because guess what? I'm not using this right now. That is why my face is looking like this. I have very sensitive skin, and this is the only thing that my skin seems to comply with. It's a 4-step system, and this is the treatment in the step. This is one of my favorite products. I have very bad acne. As I said, don't watch this noise because I've been off this for probably 2 months, and this is my second time repurchasing the line, the entire line. There's no doing my makeup or my client's makeup without this product. MAC Prep and Prime Spray. This is by far my most repurchased beauty product and favorite product of all time. I've always had at least 2 of these at a time. If you like dewy finish, you like your makeup to just blend properly, this is what you need. This is what you're looking for. Next product on the list, we just have 2 more things to go guys, is my cuticle oil. I just got this random cuticle oil at a beauty supply store. Cuticles for Aldo, especially since I started doing my nails myself. I have been loving my cuticle oil. It makes such a difference. It makes your fingers look good. That's something I love about myself the most, is my nails, and I like when my nails are looking good. So cuticle oil all the way. Guys, I know I said there's an item on my list that is not necessarily a beauty product, but it makes my life easier, and it is my Earpods. If you are like me, that is always on the go, going to the gym, Earpods. I do use my Earpods at the gym. I'm here to talk about the case. You see now in a time like this, I just clip this on my jeans and I'm gone. if I'm going out and I need my AirPods, I just clip this on my bag and I'm gone. This is a case from Kate Spade. I got this as a Christmas gift, I believe, birthday or Christmas. I got this as a Christmas gift, and I'm telling you, this had to make the list because this is by far one of my favorite products. This AirPod, and by extension the case. I really love it. It's dazzly, it's me, makes my life easier, it's cute. You get your nails done, you don't want to be dipping your hand in your phone to call who you need to talk to, or somebody's calling you, you have your AirPods. Last but not least on this list, guys, we're done. Sol Beauty body oil. This was very inexpensive. My skin is very ashy. I say that with shame in my eyes. My skin is ashy, that's one. And then here's the problem now, I don't like the lotion. I believe that lotion is just so sticky and it's hot, and what I get away with, because this is a shimmering dry oil, you don't feel it on your skin when it's dry. It takes away the ashiness, and I can just get away with not wearing lotion from time to time. I mean, it doesn't even look that used. This is in the shade bronze. And then I got this brush. There's this kabuki brush that came with it, and I use this too. This oil smells so good. Oh yes. Next is, I got two, I don't know why, I'm just a little bit extra sometimes, but it is a Sol Beauty. This one is in caramel glow oil. So I don't know, this one is a dry, this is a glow oil. It's looking like, I mean, I guess it's, I don't know. Oh my god, are you guys seeing my hand right now from the brush, from the product? Wow, that's looking good. Let's see what this is about, guys. Because I can't remember. Oh my god, it smells so good. It looks nice too, but I don't know. I guess I'll have to find out what's the difference. I don't even know why I got both of them. If you should get one, guys, definitely get the other one. Alright, so there's one more thing I wanted to say. I did ask you guys on Instagram what video you wanted to see between a luxury bag review and a beauty product review, but most of you guys wanted to see the luxury bag review. I will bring that video to this channel. I ended up doing the beauty product review, so stay tuned for the luxury bag review. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye.